Introduction: the coach who didn't need the spotlight. Some coaches dominate the headlines. Others shape history quietly. Gary Kirsten belongs to the second category. As head coach of the India national cricket team, he guided India to the 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup. Later, he helped rebuild the South Africa national cricket team into a dominant test side. No theatrics. No ego-driven speeches. No public drama. Just structure, trust, and quiet leadership. He wasn't the face of the victory. He was the architect behind it. Section 1: Empower the leaders on the field. Kirsten didn't micromanage captains. He trusted MS Dhoni. He supported decisions rather than controlling them. That trust strengthened authority within the team. When players feel ownership, confidence multiplies. Leadership isn't about being the loudest voice. It's about strengthening the right voices. Section 2: Create a safe environment for superstars. Managing icons like Sachin Tendulkar, Virender Sehwag, and a young Virat Kohli required emotional intelligence. Kirsten built psychological safety. No fear-based coaching. No public criticism. He understood that elite performers thrive when they feel trusted, not threatened. Section 3: Preparation over noise. Before the 2011 World Cup, expectations were overwhelming. India hadn't won the trophy since 1983. Media pressure was intense. Kirsten kept focus internal. Training sessions were purposeful. Roles were clarified. Plans were simplified. He removed distraction. Because clarity creates calm. Section 4: Calm leadership in high-pressure moments. In knockout matches, emotions spike. But Kirsten remained steady. During the 2011 final, the atmosphere was electric. Yet internally, the messaging stayed simple. Play your game. That composure translated to the field. Calm spreads faster than panic. Section 5: Culture before celebration. Kirsten emphasized humility. Win or lose, discipline remained. There were no emotional overreactions after victories. No blame games after losses. Consistency builds credibility. And credibility builds belief. Section 6: Adaptability across nations. Coaching India and South Africa required different approaches. Different cultures. Different expectations. Different leadership styles. Kirsten adjusted quietly. He didn't impose personality. He adapted to environment. Great architects don't force the structure. They design according to the foundation. Section 7: Legacy without noise. Kirsten rarely seeks attention. His players speak for him. His results speak louder. True leadership often operates in the background. It's measured in development. In unity. In sustained performance. Not in headlines. Conclusion: the power of quiet influence. Gary Kirsten teaches a timeless lesson. You don't need drama to build greatness. You don't need spotlight to shape history. Sometimes the most powerful leaders are the quietest in the room. Because while others chase credit, they build foundations. And foundations win championships.